we have a little situation right here. My battery is dead. I cannot open the trunk. I need to get something from there. I was having a hard time trying to figure it out, but finally I found the solution. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. It doesn't matter how many times you push the button, it will never open. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Just go inside on the rear seat, put your hand right here, and you will find something to pull. See this little thing right here? Just pull it. Just put your finger in there. Okay, and then you can fold the seat. And now this is where the fun part begins. Now you can go inside and then reach the little thing that is somewhere over there. Just pull it and it'll open. This tip is not for everyone out there, but I'm pretty sure it'll be helpful for someone. You're welcome.